Hey everybody, Rickadil here. It's another small collection of the new things I got this month. Right here I have 4 Rubik's micro necklaces. Mickey's Challenge puzzle ball. I have a couple more keychain cubes, keychain snake, another keychain picture of a cube type thing, a little Rubik's cube, a truncated bunk cube, truncated on both ends. I made that one myself. Some books that I just got. I have most of these already, but got more. Generic trillion, a calendar puzzle, slide puzzle, another slide puzzle, YJ 5x5, Alexander Star, another barrel cube, about a dozen of the Whippet type cubes, and then I got this, a whole case of old Rubik's cubes. There they are, 100 of them. Don't know what to do with them yet. Probably gonna make some mosaics and stuff. But that's it for this month. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.